Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 10 by 10 gazebo tent that this brand sent to me for the video. And we have right here, we put it together. I want to say something. My wife did the whole assemble of this tent, of this gazebo tent. She was supposed to film the whole thing and she didn't. I'm still a little bit upset about this one. But what I want to say about that one is that it was super easy. She said that it took it about like 20-25 minutes, no more than that. It was just by herself, and at the last part, I actually helped it a little bit. So we want to say probably like between 30 minutes, no more than 30 minutes. It's not super hard at all. It comes with all the instructions. I'm going to show that one to you in a few seconds. But the thing about this one, which I'm going to show you in a close-up in a few seconds as well, in the interiors, how it looks and everything, is that they're really good for, let's say that for the beach, for a camping, for picnic, for just going out on friends and family, for playing out with the kids. Not only because it fits 4 to 6 people, because it's also super tall and big, but also comes with lots of ventilation. That also serves as a place to be kind of like avoiding mosquitoes and bugs and insects and things like that. So let's actually jump on a closer look, but first let me show you something that comes with the bag. This right here comes with the bag, as you can see, the whole bag. So you have all the instructions right there to follow. Trust me, it's not that hard. You just need some patience and need a big space to actually put it through. Let's actually check it out on the interior. But first, let me show you another thing. So as you can see over here, I don't have a lot of grass. That's my golf putting green. So what I did is actually put one right here, one of the ropes right here on the umbrella, and the other one is right there at the bottom, actually with one of these ropes, but it comes with all these ropes and metal stakes that you can actually secure to the ground, to the grass or the beach or something like that. So having this is really important. Just remember to use this one. So one of the first things that I want to mention about the assemble is that all these hooks, you can remove them at all times, just like this. So you can just remove them from both the disassembling of the whole thing, as you can see, or assembling super fast, which is putting the poles first, and then you can put the whole tent, which, by the way, you're gonna see that here comes with the color coding of which poles goes in which place. So that's actually really good. And another thing that I think it is super nice and super good to have is this right here. So this flaps over here. If you, let's say that you go to the beach, you can put them just like this outside, and you can put the sand on top, so even have more weight, so you can actually put the sand on top. Or if you don't want that, you can actually do this, and you can have something that will avoid the sand to get inside from the outside, you know, because it's gonna get right here on the bottom part. So that is really good. Besides having this fantastic zipper, let me show you that you have not one but 2 of these big doors over here that you can close from the outside or from the inside. So as you can see, this is going to be really good for mosquitoes and things like that. The whole tent comes with this kind of like shades on the on each one of the sides, and comes with 2 of these doors for access, one right here and one right here on the other side, which I'm going to be closing from the inside again. So that is really cool to have, and just have 2 access with this removable floor. Let me show you that. Yeah, you heard before, this one you can remove the whole thing. So that is really good just for example, if you're going to a muddy place or something like that, you may want to put the tent first and then put this one, so you can actually have the removal floor. Or if you're going to the beach and want to stand with the sand or something like that, you can do it as well, and you can wash it too. But yeah, the whole thing is pretty big, as you can see over here. It fits up to 6 people. It says 4 to 6. I think that the 4 is just to refer that the minimum amount of people or something like that can be 1, can be 2, 3, 4. But I think that 6 people may fit perfectly here, or like, let's say 4 adults and maybe 2 kids or something like that. It is quite big. I have to say that it's really big, but most of anything is super tall. So it is 10 by 10 and up to 6.6 feet tall, as you can see over here. I can perfectly fit one more time, just coming in here and just having a really nice place for having fun with the kids, or going to the beach, or going camping, hiking, fishing, you name it. This one's really cool. Comes with all the metal stakes, the ropes, the easy assemble, the color coding, removal floor, the flaps for the inside or outside, all the mosquito, anti-mosquito ventilation, and the 2 doors that makes it to be a really good one for the outdoor life. Like it, I do recommend it. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.